In this section, we'll show you just how easy it is to install a Polaris unit. When all is said and done, there are very few differences between installing a Polaris and a standard power vent gas water heater. However, the Polaris's 22-inch footprint does help eliminate space concerns you may encounter with a 75-gallon unit or 2-heater tank type installation. To begin, turn off the power, gas, and water to the old unit. Remove the existing connection and drain the water heater. Remove the old unit. Now you're ready for step 2. The venting flexibility makes the Polaris an excellent replacement for virtually any existing power vent water heater on the market, as well as standard vertical vent gas models or electric water heaters. Unlike some Category 3 appliances, such as tankless units, which require stainless steel pipe that can cost $20 to $30 per foot, the Polaris water heater uses an inexpensive standard Schedule 40 PVC. The Polaris can be vented with 2 or 3-inch PVC pipe up to 120 feet. Also, it is a power direct vent unit, which means that it uses one pipe for intake air and one pipe for exhaust, providing sealed, safe combustion. You can either plan the vent termination for both pipes or use a concentric vent kit, as we did for this installation. As part of your pre-installation planning, be sure to consult the Polaris product manual for required clearances from the vent termination from windows and other potential obstructions. Ready for step 3? Start by placing the water heater in position for final installation, keeping in mind your planned routing of water lines, vent, and gas line. Reconnect the power, gas, and water to the Polaris, and get ready to install the vent system. Start with a PVC pipe run from the heat exchanger outlet at the bottom of the unit, which will take exhaust gases out of the home. Next, construct the intake air PVC run to bring clean combustion air from outside the home. Notice that the intake air connection at the unit includes an integrated air filter that protects the burner from debris that can get pulled into the air inlet during operation. Now you're ready to finish the vent termination outside the home. Note that the concentric vent termination requires only one penetration to the exterior wall. Let's go to the next step. This step includes the only major difference between installing a Polaris unit and a standard water heater. Namely, Polaris operates at up to 96% efficiency and produces condensate, which must be drained to a suitable location. A condensate trap and drain stem assembly is supplied with the Polaris. Keep in mind, it must be installed between the Polaris and the exhaust outlet piping to ensure proper operation. Begin by installing the condensate line. In many situations, the household's AC drain system can be used. In others, as is the case here, we set up the drainage to go directly outside. Also, in certain scenarios, if condensate cannot be drained by gravity, a condensate pump may need to be installed. And now you're ready to turn on the Polaris. Plug the water heater in and turn the dial to the desired water temperature. As you might have already noticed, the unit does not have a pilot light. Instead, it is equipped with electronic ignition that automatically lights the burner. There are 3 lights to indicate the various stages of operation. The green light means that the electrical power is on. Yellow indicates the ignition sequence is operating. And red means that the unit is heating water. Polaris water heaters come equipped with self-diagnostic capabilities, such as an LED light visible through the viewport in the access door. The LED light will flash to provide visual error codes. Adjust the temperature to the desired level, and the new Polaris unit is ready for operation. Thank you for your attention, and good luck on your next installation.